This video talks about options for people who need help with accommodation or money and want to remove the no recourse to public funds condition on their leave. It is only relevant for people who have limited leave to remain on the family and private life route with no recourse to public funds. This could be as a parent or a partner, or because you've been in the UK for a long time. It's also relevant for people with British National Overseas or BNO visas. If you have another type of visa, this video isn't relevant for you. The first option is a change of conditions. You may be able to apply to remove the no recourse to public funds condition on your visa. Doing this will give you access to benefits and homelessness support for the remainder of your visa. To do this, you will need to show the Home Office that you are destitute or at risk of becoming destitute. This means you don't have enough money to meet your basic needs or you don't have adequate housing. If you're not destitute, you could also show that there are important reasons relating to the welfare of your children or exceptional circumstances affecting your income and expenses, like a disability. This is a free application, so you don't have to pay a fee to the Home Office. The processing times can vary, but most people receive a response to their application within a few months. It can be difficult to find a solicitor to help with this application because there is no legal aid available for it. Many people decide to make the application on their own, but it's always a good idea to get advice on your circumstances if you can. There are some charities, such as the Unity Project, who can help people make applications. There is lots of information on the Unity Project's website, unity-project.org.uk. If you have another type of visa, it's possible that you may still be able to make this application, but you need specialist immigration advice because there could be risks associated with applying. Project 17 are not immigration advisors. We can't help you make the application or tell you whether you're eligible for it. The government wants to change the law so that accessing public funds could increase the length of some people's routes to settlement. This video was made in April 2026. At the time you made the video, these changes hadn't been finalised, but you should get immigration advice if you are concerned. Your other option may be Section 17 support. If your situation is very urgent, for example, if you are homeless or you don't have enough food or other essentials, you might not be able to wait for a change of conditions application to be processed. If this is your situation and you have children under 18 living with you, you may be able to ask social services or the No Recourse to Public Funds team within your local council for help under a law called Section 17 of the Children Act 1989. Under Section 17, the Council can provide accommodation, money and other support. Some people apply for both a change of conditions and for Section 17 support, depending on their circumstances. Sometimes councils wrongly tell people to make change of conditions applications rather than support them under Section 17. This is wrong because councils generally aren't qualified to provide immigration advice, so they shouldn't advise you to make the application. And if you decide to make the application, they still have the ability to help you while you're waiting for a decision. This could be by providing temporary housing or money to help you meet your needs. They should continue to help until your situation changes, for example, until you're receiving benefits. You can watch a short video about Section 17 support by clicking on the link in the description. There's lots of information about Section 17 support on our website, project17.org.uk. If we have capacity, we can also help you with specialist advice around Section 17 support, although we can't help with change of conditions applications because we aren't immigration advisors.